Hello everyone, my name is Anne Kareem. Today I today it's a surprise. I'll tell you after some time. So let's start with the video. So today I will be testing harvest festivals of India. So let's start with the video. Our first question is A. What is the cultural and cultural significance of Pongal in Tamil Nadu? Our option A is festival celebrating the winter solstice. Option B is a 4-day harvest festival thanking the sun god. And our option C is a festival marking the end of monsoon season. And our option D is a celebration of the new year. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer of this question is answer B. Our next question is how do different regions of India celebrate Makar Sankranti? A. By lighting lamps and singing carols. B. By flying kites, lighting bonfires, and sharing sweets like tilgul. C. By fasting and performing yoga. D. By planting trees and cleaning rivers. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our answer is answer B. And next question is what are the main rituals and traditions associated with Baisakhi in Punjab? A. Lighting diyas and bursting crackers. B. Visiting gurdwaras, processions, and bhangra dances. C. Planting crops and worshipping the moon. D. Performing martial arts with and wrestling matches. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is answer B. Our next question is how does Onam in Kerala reflect the region's agriculture practices and historical legends? A. By conducting animal sacrifices. B. By holding boat races, dances, and feasts. C. By organizing cooking competition. D. By performing traditional theatre plays. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer of this question is answer A. Our next question is how is Lori in North India, particularly in Punjab and Haryana? A. By praying and fasting. B. By organizing musical concerts. C. By lighting bonfires, singing, and dancing. D. By exchanging gifts and cards. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer of this question is answer C. Our next question is what are the unique customs and foods associated with the harvest festival in Ugadi in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka? A. Lighting lanterns and eating sweets. B. Cleaning homes and taking oil baths. C. Offering flowers and eating fruits. D. Decorating trees and eating rice cakes. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer of this question is answer B. Our next question is, how do the tribal communities in India celebrate their own harvest festivals? A. By organizing sport events. B. By fasting and meditating. C. By communal fasting, dancing, and rituals like Maid Parab and Sohri. Right. By D is by conducting seminars and workshops. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. Five, four, three, two, one. The answer of this question is answer C. Our next question is, what is the significance of Nabana in West Bengal? You have 5 seconds. I mean, A. Celebrating the beginning of the monsoon. B. Celebrating the almond rice harvest with special dishes and community festivals. C. Commemorating the arrival of spring. D. Honoring the river goddess. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. Five, four, three, two, one. The answer of this question is answer B. Our next question is how has the celebration of traditional harvest festivals in India changed in one second, sorry, urban areas compared to the rural areas? A. Urban celebrations have disappeared completely. B. Urban celebrations focus more on cultural performance and family gatherings being smaller and more symbolic. C. Urban celebrations involve large community gathering. Urban celebrations are more focused on religious rituals. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. Five, four, three, two, and one. The answer of this question is answer B. Thank you.